What's up? We're out here.
It's your boy.
It's your boy Tom. He's back there. We got Kirkland, Devin.
What's up?
We're out here. We're working on the Subaru. We're gonna pull that stupid ass welded diff that's in there, and we're gonna put a R180 out of an STI. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start off by draining the fluid. Set you guys up. You can watch this fun happen. Oh my fuck. So I pulled a rookie mistake last year and kind of painted the plug into the diff. So we've got the hammer. We got Strong Boy in here now.
Fucking Popeye.
Holy
Hey, your boy about to push the car out the jack stands.
Hold up. Let me rotate. I have the impact ready.
No, but then the satisfaction is not there.
My satisfaction's there. Oh my fuck, this is gonna end awesome.
This is the most Kirkland thing I've ever seen.
He's going through the wall. Oh wow, you broke it. Okay, don't fucking spin it until we get the drain plug
Taking
there.
it off.
Well, we still need it there. Who's going in for it? Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
Now we got the camera. What's it do? Dude, what the fuck?
You fucked up.
I want to see just how dirty this fluid is.
Oh my!
Is it bad?
God.
Oh, it's like black.
Dude, look at the.
Oh yeah, welded diff. Get a nice shot of that there. Here, right there. Boom. Hold on, let me focus on that bitch. Shit.
Dude, this is like worse than scratching the fucking Irving scratch tickets in 30-degree heat. Just sticks everywhere.
That's fucking bad.
I've seen worse. Is this like actually functional, or are you just
Yeah, it's to the frame. Got that draining. As you can see, toe straps, make them functional. Put them to the frame.
Mine's to my front splitter.
We'll let that drain and we'll be back. So we're taking out the diff bolts right here. Once we get those out, you can see how nice and crusty this diff is. We just learned that the diff that is welded might actually be broken. So once we get those out, we can pull the support bolts out there, and then the one on the other side there, and then the two that are in the back of the subframe, and then we can drop it and go from there. Let's get to work. We've got all 4 bolts out, just have to drop the shaft.
I thought you were selling this thing.
I thought it was too. I got a jack stand right here to catch it. Let's get her done. We're out here, Kent. Gonna get some hardware for the diff.
Barbecues are out.
It's almost spring, the barbecues are out.
Sport season. Yeah, they're like Monday to Friday, 5 and stuff. Yeah.
We need M10, M12 by 1.25. M12, 1.75.
This is better than something.
This. So we've got the axles unbolted there. You can kind of see that space. They're unbolted from the hub. About to pull those 2 bolts from right here out. Undo those 2 nuts right there. Should be ready to drop the diff. And just like that, the diff is out of the car. Cool. So, we got the diff out, as you can see. Got the stock axles. 2 nuts tighten on. Take the studs out of this diff. And we'll put it in the new R180 limited slip diff, as you can see right there. So, we'll go back to work taking these out. I already got one out. Just tighten 2 nuts together, and then you can pull that stud out. As you can see, it comes out with a little bit of effort. Got the new wrenches going to work here. So, we got the fat R180 limited slip diff out of an STI. It's a 3:5:4 ratio, so I believe it's out of like an automatic WRX from like 2007, something like that. So that's going to go in. I have this is a GR body style. GR STI axles should fit right in. And we'll have an LSD instead of that stupid welded diff that's up there. So it's in pretty good shape. It's all clean-ish. It's not completely rusted. I changed the flange from the stock WRX diff so that it lines up with the drive shaft, because there is a difference in the drive shafts. So got that all changed out. Got the casing off the stock diff as well on there. Got those studs changed over, and it's ready to go in the car. Let's get to work. So the key is to line that up with this right there, but first those studs right there have to go into the actual subframe right there. So we're gonna push this forward, slide those studs in, and then lift that right into those mounts right up there, and it should fit in nicely. Easy no more. Oh, right there. Yeah. It's almost like I've done this before. Hold on. So, get that bolt in right there. We got the stud through up here. Just gotta bolt that in. Bolt that drive shaft up, and this diff is officially in, which is sick. Got the R180 all bolted up in there. If you don't have a Milwaukee ratchet, get one. It's super convenient for these tight squeezes. I don't have the axles in. That'll be next week when we replace these gross coilovers. Stay tuned for that one. For now, we got the new diff in. One step closer to limited slip instead of welded diff, and actually enjoying to drive this. We're going to put these axles in. Suspension is out. You can see way back in there, that little hole, that's the diff. Got to slide that in. Put it in the hub, and then driveline's pretty much done. After some fighting,
This is one of my favorite memes in the world.
we've got the
When you're chilling at home, you hear a loud crowd.
axle in.
I'm curious.
Hard to see there, but that STI axle is all in.
Looks like he's left me a quarter pound.
Rear diff is or driveline pretty much complete. Just got to bolt up the drive shaft and put some new axles and tighten those in, and rear end's pretty much complete. We got that axle into the hub back there. Can't really see. So now we're gonna pull this or into the diff, sorry, and we're gonna pull this hub apart, and I'm gonna tuck this axle right in, and that's installing the STI axles in the R180 diff. Oh, that's better. Last thing we got to do for the drive shaft is connect those drive shaft bolts, and then the whole STI driveline swap is actually complete. So we're gonna bolt those in right now. as you saw, we got all the drive shaft bolts in. So the R180 to STI axles to WRX GR chassis conversion is done. So as you can see, we got that R180 diff in, we got that welded diff out. We're one step closer to having this thing rolling for spring. So you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.